Willow is in her second year at school, but she spent much of it learning from home.
I'm worried about that we might not be able to go back to school.
Not being able to see her friends or teacher. She's one of many kids experiencing heightened anxiety during the pandemic.
Often we underestimate the impact of these big events on kids' wellbeing. And so those changes can throw kids out of kilter in terms of their mental health.
Kids Helpline reported a surge in calls to its hotline during last summer's bushfires. The amount of calls has surged again during the pandemic.
And even just in this young cohort, the 5 to 12s, we've had a 30% increase in counselling contacts. So demand continues to be very, very high.
The year's disruptions have seen parents and children look for new ways to cope. Not-for-profit Smling Mind says its mindfulness app was downloaded more than 180,000 times in April. That's a 165% increase on last year. Working mum Sarah and her 3 kids, all learning remotely at different schools, are using the app to help stay positive.
We did the teddy bear breathing this morning, and I think trying to inject that positivity, so getting them to think about all the positive things in their life, has been good guidance through Smling Mind.
Smling Mind has also launched a new digital care pack as part of the Victorian Government's extra funding for mental health services announced in April.
And they provide parents and carers with information and guidance around what to look out for, how to support good mental health practices at home, and then a range of interactive activities for kids to use.
While it might be tempting to try and shield children from news about the pandemic, experts say being open and honest is important.
We have a natural tendency to protect our kids and try and hide away anything that might worry them, but kids are really perceptive and they will pick up on what's going on around them.
We also talk about the anxiety that mum and dad might have, and that helps her understand that we're all a little bit worried. So I think she gets some comfort in that.
In this time of isolation, people of all ages are taking comfort where they can find it.
Goodbye, worries.
Sean Mantesso, ABC News, Melbourne.